Yo guys, and welcome back towards this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing Bitcoin and the verge of breaking out it currently is standing on here. So if you want to be finding out about where Bitcoin is heading towards on the bigger picture right now, don't forget to right away slap up that like button and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification so you will be definitely not miss out on any of the further content that we're going to drop out here on this channel. But with that being said guys, let me talk a little bit about Bitcoin and the daily time frame right now. So currently we can see that Bitcoin is experiencing another retest of our very critical rejection range here, or rejection trend line that we have been creating along the way down here on the daily time frame RSI. And right now we could be of course potentially go for a breakthrough on today's daily candle close if Bitcoin is going to see a further spike towards the upside. So if this breakout is going to be occurring, first of all, on the RSI, we're most likely and most certainly going to be seeing a massive price continuation towards the upside, what could be leading towards, of course, this bullishness in the market we have been waiting for already more than 80 days. So I'm currently still waiting, and of course what I will be doing and what my strategy will be here for Bitcoin on the bigger scale, because first of all I am dollar cost averaging in towards Bitcoin positions right now, but for me to open a new trading position I first want to be seeing Bitcoin breaking this critical downtrend on the RSI. As soon as Bitcoin does closes a daily RSI close here above of this downtrend on the RSI, I'm going to start accumulating in towards a new swing trade position on Bitcoin. Why will I be starting to do that on that point is because we could be also most certainly get another rejection from the point where we're right now trading on. And if we're going to get that, that could be leading towards a little bit more bearish price action, of course, in the market. What is of course a thing that you don't want to have if you're in a long position on Bitcoin. So as soon as we do break above it, my rules are going to say, okay, I'm going to be building up a swing long position. Otherwise, I'm going to wait a little bit longer if we're going to see another rejection of this range here. So that is definitely a thing that I'm going to be looking forward towards. Of course, second of all, if we're breaking above that level, there's still some key levels to look at here purely on the Bitcoin daily chart itself. We do still have this very crucial downward sloping trend line here getting formed on the daily time frame with already more than 2, 3, 4, and of course we're about to get a fifth touch point over here. So we do know the more touch points we're creating on certain levels, especially on these downward sloping trend lines, the more likely it is going to be that we're as well going to be break above it and that we're going to see a continuation in growth for Bitcoin. So first of all, I think the breakout on the RSI is going to happen, and afterwards we're most likely going to expect that we're going to see this breakthrough of this downward sloping daily downtrend. Of course, a thing that we can currently see on today's daily candle on Bitcoin is that it is creating a particular big wick here on the lower side, and it is almost flipping in the green again. Of course, this is a bullish signal in the market. Why? Because today's daily candle basically once again shows a lot of strength, because creating big wicks on the lower side basically shows you the market is having a lot of strength. As well, very important thing to know here, why am I starting to get a little bit more bullish on Bitcoin right now here, is because the stock market is definitely one of those leading indicators we should be looking at, and it looks to be that it is currently finding a bottom. It has been ranging basically between this 4,200 and 4,400, and it looks to be that we're right now breaking above of our range high and that we're seeing a further continuation growth like you can see here on this chart. So we have been trading basically between this range the whole time here, the period between midpoint of January towards the end of January where we're right now trading on, and right now it looks to be that we're seeing a continuation towards the upside getting generated, and of course growth for the stock market going to be as well, meaning that Bitcoin is going to be seeing some more positive signals as well. So this is also a reason for me to stay a little bit more bullish as well. I mean, I have so many reasons to be a little bit more bullish on the market than be bearish right now. Bitcoin looking pretty bullish for the recent days here. Still, funding rates are negative as well on Binance, as well on every single other exchange. So everywhere still negative funding rates means that we should be still staying bullish. As long as the funding rates are staying negative, I will be looking for long positions, because you know what's the very good part about opening a long position right now is that you're going to get paid to be in a long position. So currently I'm trading on Bybit. Why? First of all, Bybit, like you can see over here, minus 0.02. So their funding rates on Bybit are way more negative than other exchanges. So it means that more people on Bybit are shorting compared to those other exchanges. What also means is that you're going to get paid way more to be in your long position. So being in a long position on Bybit right now definitely pays off double. So that's a reason why I'm, of course, trading long on Bybit right now. And if you want to be signing up, I do have, of course, a 4,000 US dollars deposit bonus here in the link of description. As well, we closed the weekly candle. The weekly candle close was one of the most beautiful weekly candle closes I have seen in a while here. And we have been, of course, respecting the upper sloping support line together with, of course, the bullish divergence we're currently getting generated. This is looking like a pretty strong week that we're about to get generated right now here. So don't expect, and I mean, don't be surprised, I should say, if Bitcoin is indeed going to be having an extremely bullish week ahead of itself right now. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. Hidden bullish divergence on the weekly time frame, holding up the upper sloping support line of the parallel channel that is basing towards the upside. I am definitely very bullish on Bitcoin. So guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update here on the channel. If you do like these updates, don't forget to smash up the like button and let me know in the comment section, of course, what you guys do think about the market right now here. As well, don't forget to follow me on Twitter and all my other socials, Instagram. I'm as well, of course, hiring some people for my company. If you want to be working for me, make sure to check out my Instagram. I usually do my hiring through Instagram, probably as well through Twitter, but for Instagram is a little bit easier, so make sure to check that out as well in the link description. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update, and we'll check you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.